Here we are on the inside of the modified 5x8 Benroy camper. Okay, so I'm putting in my top piece of trim up here. Sometimes you have to bend stuff a little bit. Alright, I got this piece of trim cut right here. And I'm lucky I got it nice and snug. Almost up there by itself. So what you want to do, so you don't have an ugly, so your staples are kind of look uniform. They don't go up and down, up and down. Put that piece up there backwards like that. And this is one way to do it. Then you can draw a line along here, a line along there. Just a gentle line. Don't draw a heavy line, because a heavy line is gonna be a little difficult. Take a little more time to sand out. And take that off. And you turn around, you can see right there. And that matches up. You see my line right there. It's really, really faint, but it's enough to see where you need to be nailing. And then let's put a little glue up there. When I say little, I don't mean, usually I say put that glue up there like it's free, but the thing is, I mean, you need adequate glue, but you gotta watch, it's gonna run, so you have to smear it a little bit. And then and try not to get it on the face of your work, because you just really don't want to have to sand any more than you have to. And so the less sanding you have to do, the better off you are. Plus, if you get glue on the face of your work, then it's going to go in there into the grain a little bit and seal a little bit. So you don't want the grain sealed, because you may stain it. Then you have a light spot where the stain didn't stain real good. Or in my case, I usually just put clear polyurethane on it because I like that look. Now I knew that was coming. So we're going to put our piece up here. Make sure you got that figured out just right, so it fits in there like it's supposed to fit. Alright, here comes the loud one, so take your headphones off. Let's see, right there. And then I tack this in. And go ahead and put me a couple more finish in there. Finish it up. And also make sure, see, when I turned it around was to draw on the face of it, so that I know, because one side of this wood's a little bit longer than the other side, and I don't want to. There's a piece right here. Okay, there's the, see how this matches that, but that's a little bit more blonde. Sometimes you can't do much about it, because like this is the same side as that, but for some reason this strip here didn't look exactly the way I wanted it to look. That's just the way, that's just the nature of the beast on a nature-made product. Sort of a nature-made product, you know what I mean. I know that this is made by a man, but nature-driven. So the next thing you know, we're doing the doors. We'll put a track like this up here, and another one down here like this. So when you put the doors in, you put the door in like this, fit it right up in here like this, and then stop. And it drops down. Of course, this is a short piece, so I'll slide back and forth like that. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to put a stop in the middle to stop them, because you may want to get them. There's no telling what you may want to do. If I don't put a stop there, you can push those two over that way, and this one over. It'll be fine. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out as we go. That's the best part of doing this without doing it without plans. Is it gives you a little bit of thought to you know, to go through a little thought process and makes you think about what you're doing. And stimulates that old noggin. Alright, thanks for watching. Gotta go. Feed the frogs.